Welcome, fellow learners. Today, we're diving into the world of web design, focusing on one of its core pillars that make websites look good and feel interactive, cascading style sheets, or as it's more commonly known, CSS. But what exactly is CSS, and why is it so crucial for web development? Let's break it down in simple terms. What is CSS? CSS is the backbone of web design, allowing us to create visually appealing, responsive, and accessible websites. It's what makes websites not just functional, but also beautiful and user-friendly. Imagine you're painting a picture. You start with a sketch, which is your HTML outlining the structure. Now, it's time to bring it to life with colors, styles, and textures. That's where CSS comes in. CSS is a stylesheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML. It controls how your website looks, including layout, colors, fonts, and even animations, making your site visually appealing and engaging. CSS works by selecting elements from your HTML document and applying styles to them. These styles can be as simple as changing the font size or as complex as creating animations. And the cascading part? It refers to the way CSS applies multiple style rules to an element, following a hierarchy that allows for a seamless blend and override of styles. To put it in perspective, imagine a world without CSS. Websites would be plain text on a blank background, lacking personality and engagement. With CSS, however, we can create visually stunning websites that not only attract visitors but also provide them with an enjoyable browsing experience.